Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Kenny, and as you all know, I really love to cook. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to make this rich, creamy chicken and shrimp fettuccine. It tastes like it came straight out of the restaurant. But guess what? You can make it right in the comfort of your kitchen. So we're going to start off by marinating the chicken breast that has been cut into tiny cubes. So I added seasoning. Feel free to add any seasoning of choice, but I basically added salt, Maggi, ginger, garlic, onion powder. Now these are the list of ingredients we're going to be using for the fettuccine. It's going to be listed on the description box. In a hot pan, add butter or oil, and then add some garlic, cubed garlic, going with the chicken breast that has been seasoned, and allow that to cook on medium heat. Bring water to a boil in another cookware, add salt and add your fettuccine pasta and bring to a boil. Allow the chicken to cook undisturbed for a few minutes so that it gets that nice golden sear. Once it is fully cooked, remove from the pan and put aside. In the same pan, we're going to add the shrimps that has also been pre-seasoned. Shrimps cook really fast. It takes just about 1 to 2 minutes on each side to cook, and that is why I'm actually stirring continuously. It doesn't need as much time to cook as the chicken breast, so we'll just cook until they turn pink, and then we know it's ready. We remove again and set aside. Please do not overcook your shrimps or they're going to become rubbery. You're not going to like that. You won't enjoy it. So this our pan is now infused with flavor. Using that same flavorful pan, we're going to go in with our onions. Frankly speaking, my preference would have been to go in first with my diced garlic, but I switched things around, which is perfectly okay. So now I'm going in with the diced garlic. I'm going to allow that to saute the onion and the garlic for just a few seconds, slightly, just for it to fragrance. And so it gets very interesting from here, because this is where the magic starts happening. We're going to go in with the chicken breast and the shrimp that has been pre-cooked. Now, we're adding that to the onions and the garlic that was in the pot prior. Now we give this a good mix, and then we go in with additional seasoning. So I'm adding curry and I'm adding blended thyme to this, because I actually want the taste of the curry to be really infused into the meal. So I give that a good turn and then go in with the mixed vegetables I'll be using. So this is blanched pre-cooked vegetable from the store. So I'm going to add that to it and also just stir for a few seconds. Clearly I do not want my vegetables to overcook, so I just give that a good mix. It doesn't need to spend so much time. At this time, our fettuccine looks, the pasta looks like it's boiled, like it's ready. And so we're just going to remove this pasta from the water and set aside. And now we're going to go in with our pasta sauce with our cream. We're going to pour that and we're going to allow it to simmer gently. So we're going to stir to just get it to thicken, and once it is thick, like once it thickens, we'll add the cheese. I like to be generous with my cheese actually, so add the cheese and then we'll stir until the cheese melts and the sauce becomes smooth and creamy. At this time, we're going to add the drained fettuccine into the creamy sauce, and I'll add additional cheese at this point. Remember I said I like to be very generous with my cheese. So now We're going to gently toss everything together until the pasta is fully coated in that creamy, cheesy goodness. I mean, this process, I enjoyed it a lot. Just keep turning, gently toss everything together. And can you see what we have there? Obviously, everything has been turned and mixed very well together. And then we have our creamy chicken and shrimp fettuccine. It tasted really yummy. It's perfect for dinner. It's perfect for a date night or when you just want to treat yourself. Look at that yumminess. The sauce is giving luxury. Look at the creaminess. Tell me this does not look like restaurant quality. And guess what? It's so easy to make. You can actually try it out. Look at that. It tastes exactly the way it looks. Really good, really yummy, really delicious. You don't have to spend so much at the restaurant. Like, you can just try this at home. I'm sure you have everything you need to make this in your pantry, so you don't have an excuse not to try this out. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And tell me in the comments section if you would like to add mushrooms or you're going to keep it classic like this. Thank you again for being part of today's video, and I look forward to engaging with you in subsequent videos. Bye.